Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fixed Cloudflare needs to review the security of your connection error. First method is disable all extension. Second method is remove all browsing data. Third method is reset modem and router. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.